Let me show you how to calibrate your D16 drone. So if you have some problems with drone, maybe it's drifting and flying to one side, or it's very hard to control, maybe it goes all over, we can simply calibrate this drone. And the way we do it, we simply first turn on the remote control and also the drone, so use this button. So first let's pair both of them together. So press up and down. So it flashes like this and stays constant. So we have successfully paired. And to pair, calibrate, basically, you first have to actually put your drone on completely level surface. So again, it has to be completely level. Do not take it in hand or maybe put somewhere like this. So again, it has to be completely level so the drone can actually understand how it's actually positioned. And then on the remote, we simply have to take these two sticks and like pull them like this. So you see, like basically, and then maybe wait 1 second, and you see basically pull, wait 1 second, release, and you will see it flashing and basically turning on constant, and then we have successfully calibrated our drone. And I suggest to do this procedure before every single flight, because again, also for example, if you were to crash this drone, so again, obviously make sure again you do this, because after you crash the drone, that like sync basically will go out of whack essentially, and your drone will start flying like absolutely crazy if you do not do it. By the way, also, if your drone still is actually acting up and not flying very good, then also make sure your drone is always fully charged. If you do not have fully charged this drone, so basically maybe it's even like blinking when you actually fly it. So again, that also means battery is low. But anyway, if you basically don't fully charge the battery on this thing, also that actually causes a lot of problems with controls. It becomes very uncontrollable basically. So again, it's very hard to control it. Also, when it comes to wind, again, the wind really is the worst enemy for this drone. So it's very lightweight. So it's like I think 68 grams. So again, like very, very lightweight. And if you try to fly it in the wind, again, wind will simply like take it away. So again, it's pretty much impossible to like fly in a like medium wind. So either fly it indoors or also wait when there isn't any much wind outdoors, only fly then. Also, when it comes to distance, again, we can get like reliable distance is only like 20 to 30 meters on this drone. So if you maybe check some online specs, some sellers claim that this drone has got like several 100-meter distance, but that's actually not true. So again, that's nonsense. So again, stick to maybe this distance for the best results. And again, make sure it's calibrated before every single flight. And then basically the drone should fly absolutely perfect. So again, I have used this drone for basically a couple of weeks, and basically if you calibrate, make sure your battery is okay and there is no wind, it should fly absolutely spot on. So it's very stable, and in fact basically out of all the cheap drones, I think this is easily the best cheap drone out there. So very stable actually. By the way, if you are actually looking to get this drone, I will leave a special discount link in the description, so that you can use to get this drone for only a bit over $10. So that's what I paid for mine. So again, this is from the AliExpress. Again, that also is with free shipping as well. So again, this is actually what I paid total for mine. For this price, I think it's absolutely insane drone. Anyway, good luck.